Ready, start. Islamabad, the coalition of civil society organizations has called upon heads of all political parties to fulfill their commitments outlined in their manifestos regarding sustainable population growth and discuss them in their first address in the National Assembly for mission of government full stop. They said unwavering political commitment was critical for creating a balance between population and available resources to ensure Pakistan socio-economic development full stop. They said while most countries in the region, with the exception of Afghanistan, have experienced sharp declines in fertility and a slowing of population growth rates, Pakistan lagged behind with double the rates in the region. Full stop. This was discussed during the coalition meeting organized by the Population Council with the support of in Islamabad. Full stop. In his welcome remarks, Director Programs Population Council Dr. Ali Mir Senior said rapid population growth in Pakistan is tied to all aspects of the country's development and has contributed directly to our economic and political challenge. Full stop. Strong political resolve is imperative to achieving balance between population and resources, which has been reflected in manifestos of all major political parties of the country. Full stop. Presenting the qualities analysis of the manifesto commitments of leading, political parties regarding population management, Samiullah Shah, Project Director Population Council, said all political parties should convert their respective population management commitments into policies and ensure their implementation. Full stop. She also urged civil society organizations to play their role in monitoring the implementation of the commitment and making them accountable for their own commitments. Political commitment can only be materialized if the head of government includes population management as the top priority during first address to the nation, and the task force in population is convened at the earliest and chaired by the Prime Minister. She added, full stop, in his closing statement, Dr. Jameel Ahmed, program specialist, urged the CSO to exert pressure on provincial governments to ensure accountability for fulfilling both national and international commitments within their respective provinces, particularly regarding the implementation of their manifesto pledges. Full stop. Reiterating their commitments by holding political parties to their commitments, the coalition emphasized the need for political parties to emulate the examples set by neighboring Muslim countries, where political determination played a pivotal role in achieving sustainable population growth, full stop. The coalition also called for targeted initiatives to address the unmet needs of marginalized women, along with increased involvement of the private sector in family planning services, underscoring the importance of provincial governments ensuring the consistent supply of contraceptive, Ikram Junaidi, full stop.